What's going on, guys? My name is Lieben, and today I'm going to be working on one of the common issues on the 350Z, and that is actually inside this box right here. And if you guys haven't noticed it already, it is the door handle. So a couple days ago, my door handle on the car went bad, the driver's side door. There is currently no tension on it, unlike this one where you can actually feel it pull back. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube saying that this was probably the most common issue, so I went ahead and purchased the new door handle, and I will be replacing it today. I can go ahead and show you guys how I have been getting into the car while this door handle hasn't been working. So if you guys can see, this one right here works fine. I can close and open the door. It's just the outside one that doesn't work. Okay, so basically I would come up to the car and you can see it's unlocked, but when I pull it, nothing happens. So I would just have to roll down the window, and then I just open it from here from the inside. But as you guys can guess, that's pretty annoying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off, and hopefully replacing the handle fixes it. Okay, so if you guys can see here, this is the inside of the door. There are two rubber like protecting covers right here. There's some bolts on the other side, and that's basically all that's holding the handle into place. So if we take these off, there's that one. You can see the bolt in there, and this one down here, and you can see that bolt in there as well. Okay, so I've gone ahead and checked, and both of these are actually 10mm bolts. So, and a little trick that I saw someone do is that they put a little piece of paper then, because especially this one down here, almost everyone drops it into the door, and that could be a pain to take out. So what I saw is someone rolled up some paper and then stuck it in the hole, so as it comes loose, if it falls, it will just fall out the end right here. So hopefully that works, and we'll go ahead and see right now. That actually worked. Here are the two bolts right here, and like I said, basically you just unscrew them, and once you pull out your extension, they just fall down through the hole. So that's good. I won't be having to waste like an hour trying to fish them out of the door. And now I'll go ahead and try pulling the handle out. Okay guys, and I can already tell that this thing is broken. If you can see right there, once I popped out the handle, this just fell down. Just completely came apart actually. And you can see right there that it's broken. So yeah, this handle is pretty much done for. Right now I'm going to go ahead and take off that bolt right there, just so that's the only thing that seems to be holding it back. That's actually where the keyhole, where the key goes. Alright guys, here I have taken off the handle, and I'm pretty sure that part's not supposed to stay on there. It should have came out with the handle, but because it's broken, I think it's stuck on there. I'll check with the new door handle. But yeah, it was just that bolt right there on this end that was holding it on right here. But it was pretty easy, just slide out and then pull out a little bit, and that's how you were able to get to that bolt right there. So now let's go ahead and compare it to the new one. Okay, yeah, and just as I thought, so here you have this one all broken, and here you have the new one. So the bar that actually pulls to open the door goes through there, and if you guys saw this one, this piece right here is stuck actually on the door, so I'm gonna have to pull that out so then I can feed it through this one here. And then I just ended up taking this bar out. It literally just slides into place, so I thought it'd be easier, make it easier to take this piece off. Because the new one also has a clip of its own, I'm just gonna end up unclipping it from here and then just slide. Hopefully, I think I should be able to slide this piece off as it still continues to fall apart. But then yeah, I'll be able to take the bar off and install it into that one. Okay guys, so here is a word from the wise. You guys should probably not cheap out and buy aftermarket parts like I do, but I'm broke, so that's why I went with this. But here, I'll go ahead and let you guys know. So first off, this piece right here, the hole right there is too small for the bar to go in, but I mean, that wouldn't have been a problem. I could have just forced it in. But then after that, this end right here with the pull through is too thick and didn't go in through the black bracket or latch, whatever it's called. So then I had to reuse the original one, the yellow one here that came with the previous door handle. So I'm using that one, and then even that one, it doesn't fit all the way through. It's snug, so I'm pretty sure it won't come off. It's pretty stuck in there. Like I said, I had to push kind of hard. I was kind of scared I was gonna break this. But yeah, if you guys don't want to deal with all those hassles, it would probably be best to buy an OEM door handle. But like I said, this was like 30 bucks, so I'm not gonna complain as long as it works. Okay, now that I made sure that it's installed there correctly, now we can go ahead and install the door handle to the door. Okay guys, so I hope you guys can see, but that blue tab right there is where the bar of the door handle goes on to. So I'll go ahead and install it there on first, and then install the keyhole. Okay, and there you guys see where I installed the bar there. Alright guys, so my camera just died, so I'm gonna be recording now with my phone. But anyways, I was able to get the bar to latch on into the blue pin. You can barely see it back there. And I was able to bolt, oh nope, stay where you are. I was able to bolt the keyhole onto the door as well. You can see right there. So now basically just push this in, make sure it latches on good. You have to be careful with that little pin right there, and I realized I'm just destroying my paint right now. But you have to pick it up and make sure it actually goes inside of here so that it actually latches on. Okay, and now that you guys can see that it's flush, now we just go back here and bolt those back on. And there we go. I've gone ahead and bolted it back to place. Now I just have to put these little covers back on. There's that one there. And we go down here. And there we have that one there. One thing I did do, I didn't show you guys, I tested it before finishing installing it, because last thing you want is for it to not work before putting everything back together. Not that this was hard to take off, but just in case. And like I said, this is an aftermarket part, so I mean, you get what you paid for. It doesn't have perfect fitment by any means. You can tell up there, there's a gap that I didn't have before, and then along this side too as well. And show you guys better, see there, compare this one, how this one looks. I mean, it's not bad, but compare it to this side here, and you'll see that there's literally no gaps on like any of the sides. But like I said, I paid 30 bucks for the other one, and as long as it opens the door, and here you can see that I can now open the door from the outside. So for 30 bucks compared to, I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's over 100 if I were to get the OEM one, I'd say it's not bad. And if, let's say later on, I do get annoyed or that starts bugging me, I can always just go ahead and swap them out for a better quality one. But yeah, there we have it, guys. I've gone ahead and now replaced the door handle, and now I can actually open my car door. All right, I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one.